So my first name is Charlie. I live in a town called Bend, Oregon, which is up in the mountains of Oregon. So I've had the T-Wall 2L for about a year now. So here in the mountains of Oregon, we are mostly known for our winter sports, lots of skiing and snowboarding, that kind of stuff. But in the summer, we have access to a huge number of lakes up here in the mountains. So most of our sailing is done on these high alpine lakes up here in Oregon. All of the ones that we sail on are natural lakes. Well, so my wife and I blended families a couple of years ago. So between the two of us, we have 4 kids. So it's usually all 6 of us that we pile into the truck together and we head up towards the lakes in the summer. Our kids range from 11 years old up to 16 years old. Some of the lakes have boat ramps and stuff. Some don't have any access at all that you could access with a regular sailboat. So for me, the T-Wall is perfect for I can carry it right to the edge of the lake even if there's no real boat access, and I can go out alone. Sometimes I take the kids out. Sometimes my wife and I go out. It's an absolute blast. My older kids have gone out on their own a couple of times. Usually, on the lakes where we can kind of keep them in sight because they aren't exactly experienced sailors, but they have a blast on it. I used to live on the coast of South Carolina in a city called Charleston, which has a great sailing presence. There's a great harbor there to sail around in. When I went to sailing school, that was more for larger long-term sailing projects. So we sailed on 40-foot sailboats, that kind of thing. But most of the time in Charleston, it was just day sailors. So I had a long time love of sailing that I hadn't had gotten the chance to explore since I moved to the mountains of Oregon until I got the T-Wall. It's the perfect solution to having to take, if we're driving up into the mountains, I drive a pickup truck that lets me throw a bunch of stuff into the back of it. But it's usually filled with the kids' kayaks and paddle boards and all the other toys we take with us. And the T-Wall is perfect because I can just chuck the 2 duffel bags right in the back of the truck with all of the other stuff. And then when we get where we're going, we can carry it right to the edge of the lake and blow it up and we're on our way. The thing that impressed me the most with the T-Wall was how fast a sailboat it actually is. I've tried other, non-traditional sailboats in the past, and they usually are kind of slow and they just drag through the water and it's not particularly fun. I was shocked, and it sort of scared my kids as to how fast we could actually rip across a lake when the wind was good. I've been out on a lake with myself and 2 of my kids on the T-Wall, and we can get up on a plane and we can, we get some nice heeling going, and we really can just tear across a lake when the wind is good. This past summer, with 2 of my kids out on a lake, all of us laughing hysterically, just tearing across the water at a speed at a speed they probably weren't all that comfortable with, but we had a blast.